coming in. Anybody in the metro Atlanta area, y'all got some trees down, just give us a call. Look at that bad weather. Look at one traffic. Give us a call, 770-899-7432. We coming to you. We just leaving the job and I seen this storm. I said, let me make you a quick commercial. Alright y'all, so this is the after. We cleared all this, was covered up with wood. You can see none of the retaining wall that they had up. It was all covered. We cleared it all out, got it all, everything that was on the wall off the wall. Cut all that stuff back, cleared that up, cleared this driveway up with all the grass that was growing on it. Cleaned all the wall all the way around. Got 2 trees that we cut down. See the 2 trees that we cut down, cleaned up everything that was over there in that corner. Got everything cleaned up all the way around here. The guys is throwing this last little thing over on the back of the truck now. They throwing that on there now. Getting that up, then we gotta go grab some the little junk on the side. We done. But we headed to the next job. It's the Can't Stop team, man. Customer was happy, gave us a tip. I always love the tips. When the customer give a tip, we always try to exceed their expectations. She had hired somebody else a year before to do this, and they didn't do the job that we did. That's why you hire the Can't Stop team. All right, we up out of here, y'all.